What's the meaning of Boxing Day? Boxing Day. Boxing Day.
Boxing Day. Boxing Day. Boxing Day is a public holiday celebrated in several countries, including the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. It falls on December 26 and originated as a way for servants and tradespeople to receive gifts from their employers. Today, it's mainly known as a day for shopping and sporting events. Many stores offer significant discounts, and numerous sporting events take place, particularly soccer matches in the UK. In summary, Boxing Day is a public holiday that originated as a day of gift-giving to those in service positions and has now become a prominent shopping and sports event in several countries.